The KiliKili Matta wey Shele for St. Francis Catholic Church for Ondo na the handiwork of ISWAP. Federal government na im tok dis one. National Security Council don assure Naija pipo say federal government and out of their duty to provide ogbonge security and maintain law and order for the country. Minister for Interior Rauf Aregbesola yarn tori pipo dis one on Thursday, June 9th after National Security Council meeting when President Muhammadu Buhari summon for Abuja. Interior Minister Konya say dem don see footprints of the Islamic State West Africa Province ISWAP on top the KiliKili wey lead to the death of plenty people wey Shele for St. Francis Catholic Church or war for Ondo State on Sunday, June 5, 2022. He con tok say the KiliKili no get any ethnic or religious connect, say ISWAP only do the KiliKili for people to sabi who dem be.
We have been able to see the footprints of ISWAP in the horrendous attack. Criminals, international criminals, savages who have no religion, who cannot even be said to belong to any particular ethnic nationality, are at pitching us against one another. That is what ISWAP represents. Our security agencies and forces are on their trail. We have indication of who they are, and we are going to bring them to justice.
Aregbesola Konya say dem get concern for the KiliKili wey dey happen in the name of blasphemy for north, and dem don give police go ahead to look for and gbab the KiliKili people wey dey behind the Sokoto State and Abuja KiliKili.
The police has been directed to mobilize, identify, and prehend all those involved in the blasphemy attacks in two areas of the country, namely Sokoto and Abuja of recent. The president wants us to assure Nigerians that his administration is committed to providing adequate security and ensuring the maintenance of law and order, so that Nigerians will be able to go about their businesses, particularly farmers who want to go to their farms without any fear of attack or molestation.
Usman Akalibaba, wey be Inspector General of Police, con tok say Naija police ready gidigba to make sure say dem carry out their mandate. Say next month dem dey graduate 10,000 people to join them for the fight against KiliKili.
By next month, we are graduating about 10,000 policemen to join us. In terms of logistics, we had a lot of tools to work more than ever before, and with better welfare and so forth, I think we should also expect better performance. To whom much is given, much is also expected.
IGP con tok say for the last 3 months, they don gbab over 580 suspects wey get hand inside the KiliKili and Tifi-Tifi wey dey Shele for the country.
We still have some people in captivity, and we are still trying to see how we can get them released on hot. There are positive indications that these people will be released.
Ebo Sereme Obinome, TMC TV News.